again and it's waiting. It's kind of stewing.
Why do you think that is?
Because I just ate an entire meal.
Like,
I shouldn't have.
we get all this food to come back and do a cheat day, an insane amount of food.
And then
And Erin's like, I got a burger here though.
I love cheeseburgers so much. Hey you guys, welcome back to Cheat Day. So we're gonna do something a little different today, Jarrett.
What are we doing today?
You know.
Oh yes, of course. We're gonna leave the studio to collect a special treat for ourselves today. I'm talking about Ikea food, of course.
Yeah, so Ikea has 2 cafeterias. And because I don't know if we had enough budget to send a PA today to go get food, but apparently we didn't because we went to Ikea ourselves. We vlogged our trip and things were overwhelming. Welcome to Cheat Day. Jarrett and I are, man, we are in the valley.
We're traveling so far away, not just to Burbank, but to Sweden. We're going to Ikea.
We're going to Ikea.
For this very special cheat day.
Ikea is known for a lot of things. Very affordable furniture, very difficult furniture to put together.
Right, with funny little tools that you only get with Ikea stuff. They're also known for
their food.
Their food.
Specifically, the balls.
Those meatballs! Swedish style meatballs. And that weird gravy, that creamy gravy.
Do you like Ikea food?
I love it.
It's a really smart business decision to have food there, so that way you can take a food break and go back to shopping.
Yes, let's be honest. Sometimes when you're shopping, you get tired.
You do, and you just need a little pick-me-up, and that's where the balls come in.
That's where those little perfectly sized meaty balls come in.
We are here, we have arrived. Let's go get some food. We thought it would be weird to bring the cooler inside of Ikea. We have so much food. We can't carry all of this ourselves. So Jarrett's gone to get the cooler. I'm gonna sit here and try to clean up this mess. By the way, I just got the receipt. We spent $60 at Ikea and probably bought enough food for 5 or 6 people, or maybe even more than that. Okay, so we survived that trip to Ikea, that very long 45-minute drive to Burbank, and we've hauled all of our goodies back here, and it's time to eat.
I mean, it was tiring. I'm hungry.
You worked up an appetite.
Yeah.
First things first.
Oh, an appetizer.
When you think of Ikea, you think of ice cream, and I think of Cinnabon.
Well, I think of Swedish meatballs for sure, but I appreciate that you think of, there's like the upstairs, downstairs food.
I'm a downstairs food kind of girl. I don't know about you. Is it Cinnabon or Cinnabon?
It's a sin bun.
A Cinnabon, okay. Cool.
Cheers.
Let's get sinful.
I love it.
I don't think it travels well.
I disagree. I think this texture is so fun. It's definitely not natural. It's like mochi. It's kind of weird, like, It's like starchy but rubbery at the same time.
Yeah, it kind of feels like it's stale, like it's been sitting out for a while. So
you just gotta get in the cinnamon parts better.
The cinnamon parts are better.
Yeah, get deep in
I mean,
there.
look, I really don't discriminate when it comes to cinnamon buns. Cinnamon buns?
Maybe I just haven't had these in a while and I'm just like taken in by it.
The texture feels like fabric. It feels like a sweater that
You're
you would
saying
get
that
from
like
your
it's
aunt at
bad.
Christmas that you wouldn't wear. You know, it's like, oh, thank you, Auntie, I love this. And it's itchy and it causes you rashes when you put it on.
It's like a memory foam top for
Yes!
the bed.
It tastes like a memory foam. But the flavor is still there. It's just the texture I'm not super into. But I think if you get it there when it's hot.
I gotta slow down. We got a lot of food to go.
I'm gonna have one more bite.
Damn, it's so good. Oh yeah! This is what I was the most excited about.
Okay, so.
Oh, they're different ciders.
They're different.
There's an apple and a pear.
Here you
It
go.
is 0.1% alcohol.
No.
Yeah. So
Is
it's
that
like
what that
it's like
means?
very. It literally says 0.1% alcohol by
This is
volume.
elk. ALC.
I'm going in.
It tastes like a sparkling apple
Yeah,
juice.
it's just like a nice dry. It's not too sweet.
This is actually really good.
I love this. Very refreshing. Let me try apple.
Okay. Don't like it too much because I want to drink it later.
Apple's better, but they're both very good, I think.
Gosh, they're both really
Shaking
good.
already. Maybe I had too much coffee at the thing.
I think you're just excited to be here.
Maybe. I'm hungry. Oh! Yeah, kids' food.
A standard Swedish classic.
Mac and
macaroni and
cheese.
Here's the thing. I almost thought that we shouldn't get this because this is like the most American food ever.
I know, but it's like you gotta try it. You gotta try the sides.
What if Ikea's mac and cheese is the best mac and cheese in America?
You have to know.
Yeah, I have to know the answer. You guys, this tastes like a Southern buffet. Like the Sizzler or what's the
Old
other one?
Country Buffet. Do you have that one? Golden Corral.
Golden Corral. This is Golden Corral's mac and cheese.
I've also got like Stouffer vibes, like frozen oven.
Yeah. This is not homemade, but it kind of has like that special.
That's the thing about mac and cheese. It's one of the
flavor.
weird foods that like you kind of like the non-homemade version's better. It's like weird. It's like it's its own thing.
I'm into this too.
It's children's food, but it's tasty.
Well, it's perfect. There's also a hair in it, but we're gonna ignore that.
Ignore it.
Pizza!
Oh, more kid food!
When I ordered pizza at the takeaway counter, I was like, can I get a couple, like, do you have any varieties of pizza? He's like, nope, we got cheese, and that is it. So they keep it real simple at Ikea. I appreciate that. Okay. I'm so full right now.
You need a burger.
I shouldn't have eaten before this episode.
This is good. See, you have to be in the mood for that weird trash food where it's all kind of like, cause if this was worse, it would be bready in a way that like felt stale.
Yeah.
It's still got taste. It's still like
It does
pillowy.
have
It's
flavor, but it reminds me of a frozen pizza.
I like it.
Yeah, it's okay. The flavor's there, the texture, again, I think there's something with textures.
Are you just broken saying texture now?
No, but I've started
Where
to
did
say
I
it
even
and now
start?
I can't stop. I don't know. So this was a choice you made.
Yeah, I wanted to try it. It like looked good. It's like this braised hunk of beef, I guess.
Wow, very tender.
Wow. Ooh,
These are some cheap silverware.
Okay, I mean that's.
And they had a lot of signs everywhere that said some of their food is organic there.
They're making an effort.
I really don't like to buy meat that's not like organic or, grass-fed.
Sure, this isn't, but
Are you sure?
don't think about it.
Are you sure?
Oh, good.
Uh-huh. That's better than my mom's.
It's really good. It's like smoky kind of like pot roast, man.
Oh my gosh, I
Yeah.
hope my mom doesn't watch this because that's legitimate better than anything she's ever cooked.
This is good food.
Really good.
Mashed potatoes are good.
Mashed potatoes taste,
They're a little weird. There's
They-
something weird in them.
it tastes like cleaner. Like Lysol.
Like the smell of cleaner.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Yes.
I just
Weird.
ruined it, I'm sorry.
You did. Now it's all I can taste.
So Ikea is mostly known for their Swedish meatballs. So we got two different kinds. We got their standard Swedish meatballs that comes in this light gravy. And then-
Also lingonberry sauce. There's a little lingonberry sauce that comes with the regular ones that doesn't come with the other kind.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the meat ones have the lingonberry sauce.
No, these are the veggie ones.
No, these are lingonberry, those are veggie.
No, the real ones come with the gravy.
They both come with gravy, but the meat ones come with the sauce with the berries too.
Really? Are you sure?
I'm positive. Look, you can see they look different.
Okay. I'll take your word for it.
You don't think so?
You're a trained butcher. I take your word for it.
Yeah, but I mean also you have eyeballs.
Let's get in here. This is the meat one with the elderberry.
Lingonberry.
Okay, this is.
Tastes like a Swedish meatball. I love a Swedish meatball.
It tastes a lot better than I remembered it when I used to be poor.
Oh, because the sadness.
Because there's like a lot of sadness involved.
Try the veggie one.
Yeah, so you're right. This is definitely veggie. There's corn all up in this. Good? Mmm.
I like it.
It's like, is it curry?
Kind of a curry vibe. Weird.
Like
Right.
a curry vibe with like.
Definitely that corn coming through like crazy.
With a little spinach or something.
It kind of tastes like you took all of your Thanksgiving food and mushed it into a ball
Yes.
and then like
It does taste
served
like
it up.
Thanksgiving. You're
Yeah.
right. And also, we have even more food, and we only spent like $60.
Like tons of food.
Yeah,
We could feed a lot of people all this food.
totally. And we will feed a lot of people with our leftovers.
From afar, I'm instantly judging too starchy, too blah, not gonna be flavor in there, gonna
And
be
it looks
just like
muddy. It looks like it has a little paste in there
Yeah,
instead
yeah,
of like
yeah.
sauce.
fillers and stuff.
Yeah, okay, well,
Now
now that
let's
we've
see.
really amped it up in our minds, let's put it in our mouths.
Apple. Horrible aftertaste.
Nah.
I instantly was like, hey, that's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I get a blast of like the weird cinnamon sugar,
Ooh,
but then
is that so bad? That is like really bad. That is like
insanely bad on the back end.
That is so bad. That is so bad. It tastes like one of those little ovens, easy bake ovens. It tastes like an easy bake oven.
It's like the thing you were talking about, the cleaner solution. It tastes like it's like Teflon, like cooked off the pan into that or something.
Why is that so bad? Maybe we just got a bad
I don't know.
one.
We probably have diseases now, though.
No. What is this?
This was a marzipan tart like thing with cream in it.
What's a marzipan?
Marzipan's like I love marzipan. It's
Wait,
so
is that
dramatic.
a cheese?
No.
That's mascarpone.
Mascarpone, yes. Which would be good with marzipan, I think. Marzipan is like a paste made out of almonds ground up with like sugar and stuff. And you ever like, there's marzipan candies they make in Germany that because they can like mold it to make like it look like anything because it's got this texture kind of like clay or like wax. And so there's like little, and they'll food color it, and so make all these little like figurines and stuff out of it.
So is this the marzipan?
I think marzipan's probably in the cake somewhere, and then that's like just the cream.
Oh, you guys, it smells so good. Oh, I love cake.
That's so good, I think.
It tastes like a strawberry shortcake.
But like there's like almond flour or something, and the cakes look really like
That's really
moist, like
good. How you feeling? Are you okay?
I was like, what's the first song that makes me happy? There's a part in Guys and Dolls, it's my favorite song, it's my favorite part of Guys and Dolls. It's not like ecstatic like this, it's just like,
Which one is it?
it's when he's with Sarah Brown. I'm gonna sing now. No, he goes, my time of day is the nighttime, a couple of deals before dawn, when the street belongs to the cop, and the janitor with a mop, and the grocery clerks are all gone, that's my time of day, and you're the only dame I ever wanted to share it with me.
Oh, that's so nice of you to say.
I'm talking to the cake, I'm talking to the cake, obviously. Of course, it is the cake.
So that is it for today's cheat day. What did you think about this episode? By the way, Ikea has an entire marketplace, a food land of Swedish candies and foods. Do you want to see more of that?
Toothpaste tubes full of creamed roe, which are fish eggs, and I'm very excited to try it.
So if you guys want to see more Swedish foods on cheat day, let us know in the comments, like this video, and of course,
subscribe.
You did that great. Good job.
Like you, baby.
Like professionals. All right, you guys. I have to go cleanse myself. We'll see you next time.
You guys, thanks for watching that awesome Clevver style video. Well, I mean, I think it was awesome. Hopefully you did too, but click right over here to watch another new video. Also, be sure to subscribe so we can keep making more videos like this all the time.